Hi, my name is Mike Johnson, and you are looking at the outside tour of this 2010 and a half, this 2010 and a half Toyota Prius Premium 4. What do I mean by 2010 and a half? This particular car was built in July of 2010, first sold in August of 2010. It is a 2010 model year, but Toyota began building the 2010 model year in April of 2009. So that makes this car almost 1.5 years newer than other 2010s that were built. This is extremely virtually perfect body on this car, and I'm going to take a close-up view. Zoom in on the bumper here. Almost a flawless car. Pearl white. Chrome faced wheels. Tires are great. These are the original tires, but they should last up to between 30 and 40,000 miles on this car before they need to be replaced. This car has 23,000 miles only on it right now, so you have anywhere from 5 to 15,000 miles left on the tires, depending on your preference and how you drive. Tires are not expensive for a Prius. Any old tire will do, although I would recommend use one of the original equipment tires if possible. That will preserve the original ride, but you can go more on performance. You can change the wheel size to 17-inch. You can do whatever you want. The first thing you have to do is buy this car. Again, a virtually perfect body. Now we're going to go look and check every single body panel on this car. Look at the front. No scratches down here. Up on the top, solar power sunroof. This solar voltaic panel provides electricity that powers the blower fan to blow heat out of the car where the sunroof is closed and the windows are closed. Car is unattended. See, here's your VIN sticker, 7 of 2010. When you're away from the car and you park it with the solar roof activated, car's locked up tight, unattended. The solar power operates the blower fan, blows the heat right out of the car, so it doesn't build up heat. Your valuables, maybe even your pets. I'm not recommending putting any pets in one of these and leaving it unattended with the windows up, but it will keep it cool so long as there's sun to power that sunroof. Let's look under the hood. These little stickers I'm showing you on all the doors, those are anti-theft stickers put on by Toyota at the factory, and they're etched with the VIN number of this car, and the fact that they exist show you those are the original body panels. If you go out and you look at a lot of cars, you want to look for these little stickers on every door jamb where I'm showing you, because if they're missing, that's a sign of body work. This has all the original stickers intact. Even in the front bumper area here, there's one, I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it on the lower left corner of this aluminum rear bumper, front bumper. There's a sticker down there. Under the hood, the oil is in good condition. This car shows pride of ownership. There's only one scratch that I'm aware of on this car. I'm going to show you that. Even the headlights, they all look good and clear. I think they kept this car in the garage. Right here on the very bottom edge of these two doors, there's a little scratch right here. It's been touched up, not by us. It probably was touched up by the owner before they turned it in for the lease, so that Toyota wouldn't charge them. That was not done by us. That's how the car came. And Toyota, I would call this a Toyota eligible certified vehicle. You would have to pay a Toyota dealer to certify it. I am an independent dealer. But under California law, this does qualify as a certified pre-owned. It is low mileage with full remaining warranty up to a maximum of 15 years or 150,000 miles. The warranty is issued by Toyota to any subsequent owner. And that's various tiers. Look in my pictures at the blue bar graph, and it shows you what systems are covered and for how long. Thank you. My name is Mike Johnson. Give me a call, 951-681-2101. Thank you.